Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to block someone on Monopoly Go. So it's step by step going to follow easily. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically to block someone here in Monopoly Go is pretty simple. First off, you head out to your friends. Then you go to your leaderboards and here you will see all your friends. But basically you cannot block people here, you can only remove them. For an example, you want to remove someone, all you have to do is remove them by pressing their icon and then pressing remove. It's that simple to remove friends. So unfortunately, there's no feature to block people here in Monopoly Go. It's a non-existent feature. All you can do is remove people from Monopoly Go, those you have added already. So there you go guys, and that's how you remove or block people here in Monopoly Go. It's that simple and there's no need to do anything else. So if you like this video, see you again next time and thank you for watching this video.